Okay, here are the devices. I'm not sure what kind this is, but I think it's a show device. Next to it, we have a Wheelock NS, a sprinkler, another sprinkler, I think Livonia. I can't really go there, but there's a Firelight BV12, a Wheelock NS, and a Livonia exit sign, and a Shutterlight smooth scene. As I said, I do not want to go over there. I can go over here. Sprinkler head. Sprinkler head. I'm showing the floor for privacy reasons. Sorry, guys. Sprinkler head. Livonia exit sign. Wheelock NS. Sprinkler head. Emergency light. Oh, it just keeps going on. 2 more exits. Livonia. And a system smoke detector and the ThyssenKrupp elevator. So oh wait, I forgot to show the fire alarms in the room. I like how we have the one right here. All the rooms have the same exact fire alarms. I'm doing this because I want to triple lock. There's nothing in here, but there's a green heck exhaust fan that I wanted to show. In all of the smaller rooms, there are Wheelock MIZs and sprinkler heads. I think there's one on the other side. Yep. I like how this is a dimmable light switch. That's pretty cool. There's one over here, too. There's a sprinkler head up there. What else? There's one more there. One more there. There's one more there. Another one. It is an MIZ. This is a Kidda smoke detector. A Family Guard, I think, smoke detector, or another Kidda. Here's another Kidda and another. This one, yeah, these are Kiddas, but someone left the exhaust fan on. I'll turn it off later, but right now, so that is battery operated, is sprinkler head. I don't know what it carried, but who the heck is in there? No, Wheelock MIZ.
It's battery operated and
yeah, it has a backup battery. There's Piccolo and button backs. Anyways, that's it for the little tour thingy, whatever.